Welcome, here I've got Vivo Y33s and let me show you how to activate voice control in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down and focus on photo category. Here let's tap on shutter. Now at the second position we can see voice control, so by using the button from the right we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. And when it's turned on we should be able to take a photo without touching the screen by saying some keywords like cheese. So let's try to use this and move back to camera, and let me try to say cheese to take a picture. As you can see, it works perfect. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.